Welcome to your daily Juventus FC News Roundup for April 16th, 2026. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for daily updates. Now let's dive into today's biggest stories. As Weston McKennie represents the USMNT, a new report highlights how MLS now supplies fewer World Cup players than ever, a huge shift from the late 90s. For Juventus FC fans, it's another reminder of how Europe and clubs like the Old Lady have become the true proving ground for elite American talent. Get the 90 Minutes Plus app for live scores, stats, transfers and breaking football news. Join fans worldwide and stay ahead of the game. That wraps up your Juventus FC Daily Roundup for April 16th, 2026. If you enjoyed today's roundup, please like, subscribe and follow. It really helps the channel. See you tomorrow.